Hi there, thank you for stopping by. I'm going to be reviewing two pack lashes today, so stay with me if you want to see the review. Quick reminder, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more reviews and hit on the notification bell. And now let's get started. So this time I got two lashes from PAC, and this one is in the style M75. These are supposed to be mink lashes, but let's be real, these are not mink lashes. These are regular lashes but good quality, and they retail for Rs 375. I got them at a 5% discount during the Pink Friday sale on Nykaa, and that's the most amount of discount you get on these. And now let's finally unbox the lashes and see how they actually look up close. So they come in these plastic cases which you can use to store the lashes in. They are pretty okay quality, not too sturdy but good enough to store lashes in. And now let's take a closer look at the lashes. So this is how the PAC M75 lashes look. Now let's talk about the quality and style of these lashes a little. So I have used PAC lashes before, so from experience I can say they are good quality. They look natural, they are soft, lightweight, flexible and easy to use. The lash band is sturdy and soft and very easy to apply. You would not, at least I didn't feel any discomfort while applying these or wearing these. They feel pretty right on the eyes. And the M75 is a very beautiful flattery style of lashes. As you can see, they look pretty natural, like thick, voluminous and on the more on the natural side. And these are easy to carry. They look really pretty, makes your eyes look brighter and bigger. These are not one of those dramatic style of lashes. These are fairly more wearable, and you can easily opt for these even if you are not used to wearing lashes. So this style of lashes add a lot of volume and gives you a more feathery look to the lashes. So I'm trying to give you as many angles as I can so that you can have a fairly good idea of how these lashes exactly look. And now I'm gonna be trying these lashes on so that you can have a good idea of how they look on the eyes. And if you want to see how I wear my lashes, then please stay till the end of the video. So if you want to see how I wear lashes, then please stay till the end of the video. I have inserted a fairly detailed clip of how I put on lashes. By the way guys, video of this makeup look is already up on my channel, so if you're interested, do check that video out. And I've used a new Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette for this look. And this is how the PAC M75 looks on the eyes. It looks pretty natural. It looks like, you can understand that I'm wearing lashes, but they don't look very dramatic or anything. They just look pretty. And now let's check out the next set of lashes. The next style that I got is the PAC 58. These are not mentioned as mink lashes, these are just regular lashes, and these retail for Rs 245. But strangely enough, I don't see any difference between the mink lashes and the regular lashes. They almost look the same. So let me quickly mention that I've also reviewed the PAC Pro 05 lashes in my previous videos. So if you're interested, you can go check that out as well after you have watched this video. And now let's quickly unbox them and see how these lashes look up close. And this is how the PAC lashes in the style 58 looks. Quality wise, I did not find any difference between the PAC M75 and PAC 58. They seem to be of the same quality. Well, very similar if not same. And I've also reviewed the PAC Lash Glue, which is also very good quality. It makes applying lashes very easy. And it comes with a brush tip applicator, which makes it super easy to apply the glue on the lash band. And this is how this style looks. So this is a more dramatic style compared to the M75. This gives a lot of length, a lot of volume, and it just fans out. Well, I feel it's a pretty dramatic style and would be suitable for a more glammed up look. However, if you have hooded eyes, you may not want to get a style like this one, because it fans out and throws a lot of shadow on the eyes, making the eyes look darker. I mean, you can still wear this if you want to. I'm just putting out a disclaimer because I have hooded eyes and I've seen how this works on me. I mean, you can still carry this for photo shoot or still photography, but in person, this might not be an ideal style if you have hooded eyes. Otherwise, this is a very, it's a fun style to carry. So I've tried to show you the lashes from every angle so that you can have a proper idea of how these lashes look, and I hope it helped. And now I'm gonna try these lashes on for the first time and show you guys. So this is the Pack Lash in style 58 and I'm gonna be trying this on now. And let's see how this looks. Here you go. This is how the lash looks. So I'm gonna be putting on my Pack lash glue. After you're done applying the glue, wait for a few seconds for it to get tacky. And now all you're gonna do is look down on the mirror, take your lash and just place it. There you go. See the difference? Okay, so now I'm gonna put on the other one. So you can use your fingers to adjust the inner corners like I just did, or if you have a tweezer you can use that to adjust the inner corner. It just makes it a lot easier. You can also use the tweezer to place the lash on top of your lash line. So here is the Pack lash in the style 58. So these are the two lashes, and I hope this video was helpful for you, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hope to see you in my next video. Till then, bye.